But we need like a little intro, huh? Like a catchy phrase, something. Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I'm by myself, como siempre. But I don't know where my brother's at, and I've been having this part for a while now, so I'm gonna throw it in, see what's up. I don't plan on keeping it, just cause you guys are gonna see why, and I'll tell you guys why. But I'm gonna throw it on just for you guys and for me to see. I'm gonna explain to you guys. I'm gonna show you guys why. So let me go get that part. You already know we don't clickbait on this channel. Look at this. I actually have one. So story time. This cluster actually came with the car. When I bought it, the guy just threw it on. Cause like I'm not gonna have the car no more. Why am I gonna keep it? And also so it could match his price, he threw in a couple stuff, some brakes too. I'll explain later. But yeah, here it is. I don't know how many kilometers this thing has. That's one reason why I want to put it in the car, just to see. I mean, I kind of like it. This looks kind of better, the gray. It should be the same, it's just gray. Mine's white. And I put it next to the other one so you guys can see better. Today's video, I was trying to swap my cluster with a Type R one. This is my OEM one. But when I did everything. And I realized there was a harness in the back. So I tried to plug this one in and it didn't fit, of course, because this one's smaller. So I had to do all this, but that's something I really don't want to do, because I like how my shit works. So let me show you guys what I got. I was planning on doing this later after the cluster, but everything happens for a reason, you know? And you get that.
Cue the cinematics.
Guys, this is what I bought. Shout out to the boys from Carbonful. They didn't want to sponsor me, but I fucking love how this thing looks and how it came out, so shout out to them. What do you think, Murijo?
Matches with my sweater look. I don't know, this is fucking clean, bro. Omar talked about it for like a week. He was like, hey, should I not? Guess how much this shit was?
I'm not gonna tell you guys, cause
if you guess,
yeah, comment. Guess.
Cause that was the only thing that I was like, I don't think he's gonna get it, because Omar's a big old fucking.
But that's my Valentine's gift to myself.
But he did it, and I was like,
Love
what?
yourself,
I fucking love this shit. Sick. It's just cute. Shout out to the homie Andrick. Omar saw it on his queue, and he liked it. Not this one.
I haven't even seen it. It's just capping.
But yes,
stitching.
Sir.
This shit looks. Let me bring mine. Comparison, basically the same thing. It's just bigger, and this is flat. But you guys might be like, why would you spend that much money on this? But look at this. I see this every day, every morning, every time I ride my car, and I touch this. So why not? So of course I had to swap all this. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Eventually, when something goes bad in Murijo's car, it just goes bad. But when something goes bad in my car, it goes better. Like his exhaust.
Still haven't found those screws. I don't know where I left the little box.
Alright, but alright. Someone sponsored my boy over here with the carbon fiber steering wheel. But basically, now all I have to do is swap everything from this one to the other one, so should be fairly easy. So I'm gonna record that. We're just swapping everything back from the old one.
Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Is this really worth it? Or is it just luxury? Is it just... I mean, if you're a car guy, you're probably like, damn. But if it's just like someone that, you know, he just likes, I don't know, what, stock shit? You're like, what are you doing, my boy?
I think that went like that. Alright, so we got everything that needs to be. So you guys, before you guys start talking shit, I like the OEM look. I don't know if you see my car, it's all, we got everything in there. So like, where did you get that? Why didn't you get a quick release?
Should we get one for the C, guys? What do you guys think?
Nah, for the C is whack, cause that's all it is.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm a drift now. To be honest, guys, I got this shit because I need an alignment. I'm gonna do it myself. Is that it?
Los piojos de Chapo. Hey, ¿sí lo dejaste straight? Tus wheels? Así, güey, ahí está
I
straight.
think that's the only way. I think it's straight. Is that it? Am I missing something?
The airbag nomás.
Bring the socket. I left it.
The sock.
Socket.
Socket, me dije. ¿Cuánta?
Atrás con la cajuela. A ver, Chapo. Chapo, dale, güey. Apriétale.
Dale.
Agarra esta mano.
Nice.
I think that's it.
It's cool.
So this one's the hardest one. Oh shit. So come close. This goes like this. And you put this one on here. Like that. And this one.
Hey, can we see one close there?
Here. Let's fix this shit.
I think we need to go for a test drive, Chapo. To BK.
Oh shit.
To get some food.
What the fuck is going on? And that, you see that? Everything has to go back.
Back to Mexico.
That's it.
¿Y por qué está haciendo ese show? el otro.
Yeah, there's a cover for that. No asustes a la verga.
My bad.
I gotta ask you, what the fuck? Yeah, you gotta cover, so you gotta put the screw back.
The screws that
Then
you
you
have.
put, nah, I do have those.
The screws
Yeah.
somebody else doesn't have.
It looks weird, bro.
You wanna do a POV?
What's that? I don't know what that is. Probation officer? It looks weird now. Let me fix this. I lost the other one though.
No te digas mamá.
¿Dónde está, güey? Está chiquito. No está atrás, güey.
No, pendejo. This camouflage.
We're done. Hopefully the cluster is plugged. If not, we could just pull it out now since nothing is screws. Stoke throw off.
What do you guys think? Look, it matches with the red, with his seatbelt things and his little Kawasaki thing. I don't know what to call it. ¿Cómo se llama? And his toes.
If you guys have aftermarket floor mats, you guys know the struggle. I need to fix this because every time I get in, I move this shit and then I can't step on my gas.
And his
So,
little boot thingy.
This is officially for sale, or unless Morijo gets me 100 for it, we'll do a giveaway for the channel.
Ooh, giveaway.
So that's up to Morijo. Comment.
For them R6 boys.
Yep. Because I also got a lip
Smart.
and then it fit. So that might be another giveaway.
Hey, lip, I don't know.
I think that's it for this video. What do you guys think?
Kill the cinematics one last time.